Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. How is everyone doing? I come bearing the news that you don't need a lot of makeup products for your everyday makeup looks. So here I am sharing all the makeup products that should be the essentials in your makeup bag for your everyday looks. So let's start the video. But stop. Before I start the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start the video now. If you have hyperpigmentation and dark circles like I do, then this orange corrector should be an essential in your makeup kit. A concealer that is close to your original skin tone rather than a shade lighter, because you don't want to brighten your face every day. You just want something that will make your own skin tone look better. A makeup sponge that you can use both wet and dry. If you have oily skin like I do, it's alright if you don't actually soak the sponge in water. Use it dry. But if you have dry skin, it's best if you wet the sponge before using it on your face. Next comes the foundation part. For a foundation, you will be requiring something that will last you at least more than half of the day. And my recommendation is this Catrice 24-hour long wear foundation. For me, it lasted almost 8 hours without making my face shine. So the coverage of this foundation is light to medium, and this is what you would be needing for your everyday makeup looks. Next, you'll be needing a pressed powder to set your foundation and concealer in place. Now for an eye primer, you actually don't need an eye primer. Primer is not a necessity according to what I've researched. Your concealer can double as an eye primer, and you just don't need to invest in an eye primer if you're using makeup every day. Next, you'll be needing an eyeshadow palette, something like this, which has all the colors that you can use for your everyday makeup looks. A kohl pencil to tightline your upper waterline, because tightlining your upper waterline can actually make your eyes pop open rather than tightlining your lower waterline, especially for an everyday makeup. I'm not saying about events, I'm not saying about parties, I'm just saying about everyday. A brow product so you can fill in your eyebrows, and choose a color that will give you a natural finish, because you don't want a very unnatural and harsh finish for your everyday makeup look. Invest in a mascara that will give you volume and length, so you don't have to wear false lashes every day, and you can keep the false lashes for your special occasions only. If you want to know which mascara I'm wearing, just write in the comments below and I'll let you know. Next, a blush palette, something like this. The colors are useful for your everyday makeup looks. Then a highlighter. Highlighter is optional. If you have dry skin, invest in a highlighter. But if you have oily skin, your face oils will do the job of a highlighter better than any highlighter would do. So this you can use for highlighting your brow bone, the inner corner of your eyes, the tip of your nose, your cupid's bow, the sides of your cheeks. Now the lip products. Invest in a lip balm, because during winter season, whether we like it or not, oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, we all get chapped lips. And when we apply lipstick directly to the chapped lips, it will look very, very unnatural. So, apply the balm. Gently press the tissue on your lips to remove the excess, and then apply the lipstick. For lipsticks, I have two recommendations. This pink, if you see, it will look perfect on any skin tone if your undertone is warm as well. If you are struggling finding an orange for your skin tone, this is your color. For an everyday use, I don't feel that you need a lip liner. You can always use the tip of your lipstick to outline your lips, and that will be the perfect lip liner for you. What do you think? Do you think lip liners are a necessity or a luxury? Do write in the comments below, and I would love to know your views. And this is my final look. In this video, I showed you all the makeup products that you need to keep in your vanities for your everyday makeup looks. If there is anything I'm missing out on, do write in the comments. I would love to know which products I missed out on and which products I should be purchasing. Do press the thumbs up button if you liked my recommendations, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.